Michael Jaafar, I mean, this doctor seems like he has a very good understanding of Sydney. You know, a lot of times an expert will just look at charts. He's interacted with her, he's diagnosed her. So let's say I believe everything the doctor is saying. Yes, this kid had schizophrenia, X, Y, all of it. I believe it all. Does that mean I find her not guilty?
No, because there has to be a couple of leaps. And first of all, just to your point, if you notice, when he's in the courtroom, she's very calm. All the other times that she's been in the courtroom with any other witness, she's been breaking down, she's been crying, she's been in pieces. She's been basically a puddle of water in the courtroom with every other witness until he came on. When he came on, she calmed down, her demeanor changed. For him to make this analysis, he must have spent hours upon hours upon hours with her on multiple days, right? So if you believe every single thing that he's saying and you're a juror, you still, when you go into that jury box, you're going to say, okay, so there was one witness, one expert that said she was fine. Another witness, another expert said not only was she having a schizophrenic breakdown, but when they asked him why, well, then why did she lie to the police? He said, well, she didn't know she was lying. She said, well, how do you know? He said, well, lying means when you tell somebody something, you know it's not true when you say it. She didn't think that that she was lying. And so if you're a juror, when you go into that box and you say, even if I take it as a matter of fact that she was schizophrenic at the time, she still knew what she was doing was wrong because of her actions after the fact. That's what happens in these cases. They always look at jurors look at your conduct after the fact. I don't necessarily agree that that's the right thing to do, but they always look at your conduct after the fact. So the answer to your question is I don't believe that that would be enough for the jury.